everyone. Welcome back to Good Global Vibes. I am Marie McNeal, and I have a treat for you this week. So, we talked about going to Hawaii and featuring Hawaii because of the beauty and the connection you have in Hawaii. But this week, you're also going to see Good Global Vibes goes to, wait for it, the Slumberland premiere with Jason Mamoa. Now, if you don't know who Jason Mamoa is, he is an extraordinary actor from Hawaii, and he really just honors and preserves the Hawaiian culture and also the environment and the earth. So let's roll it. That was amazing, wasn't it? I just loved being there with Jason Mamoa and meeting him. It was fantastic. Thank you so much for subscribing each week, and you don't want to miss next week, because next week we are talking to some intuitives. I did an inquiry with some intuitives about what's going to happen between now and the end of the year. And they not only did they answer that, they answered a whole lot more. So you want to tune in. It's very intriguing and interesting conversation. Thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for sharing, because as you know, what we like to do with Good Global Vibes is shine the light on what works in the world to raise the vibration of the planet. Have a great holiday. Aloha.